Hi, in the previous session we learn uh, and analyze series circuit with multisim. In this session, let us work on parallel circuit and its analysis by using multisim. To do the parallel connection, choose three different resistors. So select 100 ohm resistor and 400 ohm resistor and 500 ohm resistor. And we need a simple power supply. Select sources group and select DC power supply. Okay, by default it is coming 12 volt DC source. You can change its value by double click on this, change the value if you want to use any other different value. So I'm gonna with the 12 volt power supply. Now first connect these resistors in parallel. Three resistors are connected in parallel now. Now let us give the input voltage 12 volts to the positive to one end, negative to another end. Now this is our simple parallel circuit. Now to measure the input voltage and currents and voltage in each branch, current in each branch, to measure that we need multimeters. Select multimeter and 2. Okay, first multimeter will give you the input voltage. It is to measure the input voltage. And second multimeter, I want to use it as a ammeter to measure the total current in the circuit. Okay, since it is in connected in series, parallel, the each branch will have the same voltage, that is equal to 12 volts. But since it is connected in parallel, there are three different loops, so there will be three different currents based on the respective resistance. So to measure the individual branch current, we will use another three multimeters to measure the current in each branch. Select meter 1, sorry 3, 4, 5. Okay, here meter 2 will give you total current in the circuit. Meter 3 will give you the current in this 100 ohm resistance branch. Meter 4 will give you the current in the 400 ohm resistance branch, and meter 5 will give you 500 ohm current in the 500 ohm branch. Okay, to connect these multimeters, just break the circuit and make the connections again. Okay, here again I repeat again, meter 1 will give you the input voltage and meter 2 will give you the current of the total current in the circuit. Meter 3 will give you the current in the 100 ohm resistance branch. Meter 4 will give you current in the 400 ohm resistance branch. Meter 5 will give you current in the 500 ohm resistance branch. Okay, let us do the simulation now. Just we have to make the ground. Okay, now let us press on the simulation. here we have to change the meter into current mode. Double click on it, change it to ampere, double click on it, make it ampere. So this is the input voltage, 12 volt. This is 174 milliamperes is the total current in the circuit. 120 is the first branch current, 29 is second branch current, third branch current. Okay, so you can verify these values with theoretical calculations by using Ohm's law. Okay, and in the next video I will explain how to do the calculations of series and parallel connection, theoretical calculations as well. For now, this is how to do the current and voltage measurements of a parallel circuit by using multisim. Okay, so to do the analysis, we have to measure the total circuit resistance for a series circuit. The formula is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, where you will get the total resistance. Then you can measure the total circuit current, I equal to V by R, 12 divided by total resistance, where you will get total current. In the same way, we will do the calculation for each branch current, like I1 equal to V by R1, I2 equal to V total divided by R2, I3 equal to V input voltage divided by R3 resistance. So these values you will get easily. You can compare both of them. Okay, thank you.